Hello everybody, and how are you doing? Welcome to our YouTube channel, Salsa and Bachata Lessons. Video number 2 for our top 5 favorite Bachata moves. I'm Alexandros, with us is Andrea, and let's get started. Let's start off with a simple basic 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Push away for some distance with your lady because you want to move back with your left leg, the lady's back with the right, and it's like an open break, and we're going to move forward towards the lady, counting 1, 2, 3, 4. Now notice here my right hand is touching the lady's shoulder. Because I want to help her move around, we're going to let go of this one. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okie dokie. Now what you don't see on this side is that I'm holding the left hand and the right hand on my waist. Counting from here, we're walking around. 1, 2, 3, 4. Make sure you press a little bit away because you want to change now distances and directions. 5, 6, bend down the knees. 7, 8. Let's take it from the top. 1, 2, 3, 4. Push away. 7, 8. Open. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now this is the part that I really love, and any guy can lead this as long as you know how to do your own body movements, shoulders and body waves. We're going to place the right arm towards our shoulder and the left arm, that's for both of us, to our left shoulder. Make sure you don't put it here or anywhere else. You want right on the shoulders, because what I'm gonna do next is what's gonna affect the lady. Now from here, guys, this is what do we do. Okay, now guys, you need to be able to do this because of this beautiful connection we're gonna have the hands. So we don't need the lady for this. You can practice it and you will lead any lady to do the same thing you're doing because of the contact we have with the lady. We're going to move the shoulder, 5, 6, and the body slightly as well. 7, 8. Crunch down in on 1, chest forward 2, belly 3, hip 4, land down, 5, 6, reverse, 7, 8, have a nice little flick. Now look how easy it is to lead the lady if she has this nice contact with us. Let's go. It was 1, 2, 3, 4, shoulders, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, you want to move to the side and expand the left hand. That's the lady's left hand as well. 1, 2, make space behind your back and lead the lady. Let go of this one, progressional turns. 5, 6, 7, 8. They're not really fast, especially for bachata. Now the left hand comes in like a sword, and we're gonna take a big step to the side, not a basic. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now notice before she finishes her basic, I come right in between those toes. Can you see me? I'm gonna bend down the knee and tilt to the side, expanding my right foot. That's her left foot out, and switch and slide up. Ready? Música.
Amarte es volar sin fin. Amarte es volar sin fin. Un suspiro que nunca tiene fin. Eres el sueño que quiero vivir. Mi razón para sonreír. Amarte, sentir que soy completo cuando estás junto a mí. Porque tú le das sentido a mi existir. Y sin ti no sé vivir. El tiempo se detiene a tu lado. Cada instante es un regalo sagrado.